Alright, so at the beginning of the episode, we can see Edward and it looks like Thomas travelling through one of the stations by a mountain, or maybe a very large hill, and right away we can spot our first goof. Edward's eyes are quite wonky, and the edge of the set is visible, or some blue sheet of whatever that is there. Gordon somehow bounced up on the track. Gordon's face is very wonky. And his left leading wheel is derailed, but only for a moment, as it pops back into place. And his buffers are also crooked. The roofs on the express coaches are crooked. This light has no light bulb.
It was time for another to begin.
Also notice that Gordon's buffers are still crooked. Gordon is somehow on a lean.
Gordon needed a rest. James shall do your work. James was delighted. He liked to show off his smart red paint and was determined to be as fast as Gordon.
James's right leading wheel is derailed.
Toby.
James has a gap between his face mask and the eyes. Toby also has a gap between his face mask and eyes. The Fat Controller's hat is very wonky, and I don't think it was really positioned that well. Wait a sec. Where did that guy beside the Fat Controller go? Before he was like right beside him and he looked pretty angry, but now only Toby's driver and fireman can be seen and they are smiling, and they weren't in the position as like beside the Fat Controller looking at Toby exactly. So I think this is another goof. And now there appears to be no one beside him, and his hat is positioned awfully in the other way.
Henrietta, sir? No. What were the passengers doing right? Toby saw Percy by the water tower. Don't worry, Toby, said Percy. I'll take care of Henrietta until you get back. Soon Toby was out on the main line. He clanked as he trundled along. He's a little engine with small wheels. His tanks don't...
If you look closely, you can see that Toby's wheels are somehow red.
In the distance was a signal. Good, he thought. There's a station ahead. I can have a nice drink and a rest until James has passed. Toby's driver thought so too. Toby was enjoying his drink when the signalman came up. He had never seen Toby before. Toby's driver tried to explain, but the new signalman wouldn't listen. We must clear the line for James with the express. You'll have to get more water at the next station. Toby clanked sadly away. Hurrying used a lot of water, and his tanks were soon empty. Poor Toby was out of steam and stranded on the main line. We must warn James, said the fireman. Then he saw Percy and Henrietta. Please, take me back to the station.
Henrietta's roof is lifted in the middle. And even Percy has a gap between his face mask and eyes.
That's a big help. Henrietta felt much better. James was fuming when he heard the news.
He doesn't look fuming. He looks more sad than fuming, so therefore it is a goof.
Now, James, said his driver, you'll have
And now James has a gap between his face mask and eyes, and now he looks fuming. That's better. Wait, why are there only 2 express coaches? There's supposed to be 3, and plus their roofs are very crooked. Toby moved a little, but he's not supposed to have any steam.
Get on, you!
I'm a bit confused as to why Toby's smiling, but I guess it's fine. Isn't Toby supposed to be out of steam? Like I just mentioned in the last goof. So, why is he steaming there? I mean, I thought he ran out of water. So, yet another goof. The light bulb has been fixed.
When he reached the workstation, he felt...
Did he say workstation?
When he reached the workstation, he...
That's an advent station. If it was a workstation, there would be lots of machinery, wouldn't there? But there's passengers. Wow, what a horrible
I
goof.
think James couldn't pull it on his own, so Toby had to help him. Never mind, James, whispered Toby. They're only joking. Ha, 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 ha.
So those were all of the goofs found, which ended up being 24 goofs found in the Season 3 episode Time for Trouble. If you like my video, please like and consider subscribing to the channel for further videos. I hope you enjoy watching my videos.